there guys, so today we will try out the new spot weld drill bits, take out these two here and get that piece of the old panel out, and then continue with the fitting of the door. Not the door, the panels. So yeah, not today, I ordered the other day some door hinges as well. I'm not sure if I said in the last video, so they will be arriving late this week. So yeah, let's see how much we can get done before they arrive, and then we can test fit the door. So let's get started. Okay, so off camera I just sort of tried to test fit the door a little bit. I mean, obviously I need new hinges and everything, but it's very heavy because of the glass door card and the window winder mechanism and everything's all still attached to the door. So I think we'll just strip this door down now, get the glass and everything out of it, make it a bit lighter and easier to actually offer up into the car when I next need to do so. So we'll do that next.
Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come kick it with you. You'll be my American boy, American boy.
Okay, so we've got the door stripped down now, just to its handle and mechanism and everything. So yeah, it's a lovely shade of like an olive green under the door cards, which I already knew. And I think the other one's like gold underneath the other door. Neither of the doors are originals. And I think that's been reskinned in the past as well. Well, I think they both have. The driver's one is particularly not being done very well, 'cause it's all ripply along the bottom. So yeah, here's all the stuff. Got the handles, the door pocket and everything, the door card here. So that'll be from an early 90s Cooper. It's in great condition, so we'll be keeping that. So yeah, a little bit naff on the back. It's not perfect, but the bit you can see is fine. These are the strips go on the door where the window is. That one's got some like blue paint on it there, and it's a bit scuffed up and looks a bit rubbish. A friend gave me, I don't know if it was a full set or just a pair of these a while ago. I can't quite remember, but they're in my shed at home, so we'll replace them all if he's given us a full set, or we'll just do the pair and buy some more, whatever. But it's had one new one on the driver's door on the outside in the past that I put on it. So we need 3 really, because the others are all a bit tatty. So yeah, where's the glass? I forgot. I'll put the glass over here somewhere safe. I'm not going to knock it over for now. Let's just take it out. So lovely green line where the glasses are below the seal, and yeah, this is terrible. That's not attached to anything, it's just rotten away. So that was sort of half falling off, and that'll be why the window was so hard to wind up and down, because it wasn't tracking straight in this channel. So we definitely also need new ones of these. I believe you can actually buy stainless steel versions. They're quite expensive, but I might look into them, because then they won't rot again, which obviously is a bonus. So yeah, there we go. The door is much lighter now, which was obviously our aim. Not that I really need it again at this very moment, but yeah, it's lightened for when we need to hold it back in place. But yeah, I think I'm going to get new doors. I know these can be repaired, you can get new skins and new bottoms from and everything. But I'll just give you a quick look around it actually. the skin had no rust on it at all when we first moved in here, but since they've been in storage, it's blistering up. There's a little bit coming through there, all around this edge, along the bottom it's bubbling. A little bit there, and more bubbles there, more rust peeking through. And I think this corner's all full of filler actually as well. And the skin on the inside. Let me just flip this round. You can see it's all getting quite heavily surface rusted on that there, and underneath it's not too bad, but it needs a new sort of bottom bit of the door. So yeah, it's just work I can't be bothered to do. And also the worst bit probably is this, where it's just cracked and split down here, and that has just been getting worse and worse over the last few months that I was using the car. It's just, yeah, they're just knackered, so somebody can fix them. I can't be bothered to fix them, so yeah, we'll probably just get new doors, well, not brand new, but some good used ones, and sell these on to someone who wants to fix them up, because I just don't have the will to do them. I can't be bothered to, yeah. And also, I can't really show you inside, but when you shine a torch and the inside's really starting to rot out from the inside out. So yeah, but they'll still do us for now for just testing it in the shell. So yeah, we'll just tidy some of this stuff away and move on to something else now. Probably we'll go back to the car, do what we can. Oh, and I forgot to mention, in the door pocket I found a bit of IMM memorabilia. It's a bit dusty, very dusty. So I never got my free food that they gave me the thing for. I think they gave us 2 things, and I think I got 1 thing. I can't remember, but anyway, I found that in the door pocket. So yeah, I might just stick that up on the wall with all that crap, I don't know. Just, yeah, I might keep it. Why not? So yeah, the chicken rapid fry sounded nice as well. It's a shame.